I'm not putting the video because it's not required. So just enjoy listening to the instructions. Hope you're all lying down. Those who have joined new, please lie down on a mat or on a cot. Put the props accordingly so that you are comfortably lying down for half an hour. So you can fold your legs, place a cushion under your knee, or keep a blanket under your head. Close your eyes. Legs apart, hands apart. Palms, fingers slightly curved, palms facing the ceiling. Legs are apart, more apart than the hip region, so it is absolutely collapsed. Check your shoulders. Consciously release any tension around the shoulder area. Your facial muscles, release and relax. A beautiful smile on the face. We will start with the Yoga Nidra session by first being aware of the abdomen area. So gently become aware of your abdomen region. The rise and fall of your abdomen region, your awareness is in this part. Observe the rise and fall of the abdomen. Consciously synchronize the breath with the movements. Inhale, the abdomen rises. Exhale, the abdomen falls. Continue, synchronize both. Each time as you exhale, let the entire body collapse on the floor. Let's chant one Omkara. Breathe in. Enjoy the resonance of Om. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliram jaltosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We'll start with the rotation of consciousness. Gently shift your awareness to the toes, to the right leg toes. Wiggle your right leg toes. Wiggle your left leg toes. Stop wiggling. Your awareness on the heels, the soles of your right leg, the right leg calf muscle. Pull up your kneecap, release. Thigh muscles, the front of the thigh, the side of the thigh, the back of the thigh. Moving up to the hip joint, to the pelvic area, to the lowest part of your abdomen area, to your groin area. Shifting to the left leg, to the pelvic region, the hip joint. Moving down to the left thigh. Slowly you're shifting the awareness to one part after the other while I keep mentioning that part. You repeat that part in your mind. All the parts of your thigh region, the front area, the side of the thigh, the back of the thigh. Pull up your kneecaps and observe all the muscles which are engaged. Release. Calf muscle and shin bone. Heel of your left leg, soles. The left big toe and all the other toes there complete. The entire right leg is collapsed. Entire left leg is collapsed on the floor. The lower part of the body is relaxed. Consciously let go of all the tension in the lower part. Release and let go. Shift your awareness to your upper abdomen. Observe the rise and fall of the upper abdomen. Observe the abdomen moving up and down. As you inhale, the abdomen bulges like a balloon. And as you exhale, let all the tensions in the abdomen area be released. Visualize the abdominal organs. Let all the important abdominal organs visualize. If you have any health issues around your abdominal region, visualize that part. And just like a mother comforts the baby, you're comforting that organ. You're comforting that organ to release the stress, to function well, to relax completely. Visualize all the other parts of the abdominal area. Just visualizing itself will bring about relaxation. Shift your awareness to your chest, the right side of the chest, the right armpit, the right shoulder joint, the right upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist joint, palm, and wiggle your fingers. Collapse your right arm complete. Let the right arm sink onto the floor. Gently bring your awareness to your left part of your chest area. Feel the chest. To the left armpit, to the left shoulder joint, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist joint, palm, and all the fingers of your left arm. Collapse your left arm complete. Shift your awareness to your upper part of your chest where your collarbones are situated. Observe the rise and fall of this area as you inhale and exhale. Consciously releasing all the tension around your chest area. Inhale the fresh oxygen. Exhale all the toxins. Your awareness on your throat. Swallow your saliva and observe the pathway. Let all the main gland around your thyroid area, around your neck area, the thyroid, the parathyroid, all of them are completely energized, functioning beautifully. Move up to your chin, your jawline, lips, upper and lower lip, teeth, your mouth cavity, your oral cavity. Swallow your saliva again, feel the saliva around your oral cavity. Become aware of your cheeks, bring about a beautiful smile there and relax all the muscles in this area. Your nostrils, observe the air moving in and out. Observe carefully the air moving in and out from the tip of the nostrils. Become aware of the breath moving in, slowly reaching the center of the eyebrows and moving out complete. Again, the breath moving in through both the nostrils, reaching the center of the eyebrows, and again exiting slowly from the nostrils. Again, breathing in, feel the pathway of the breath moving in, reaching the center of the eyebrows, and moving out complete. Your eyes and eyeballs. Observe the eyes and eyeballs. Let your eyes keep sinking. Keep sinking. Let all the muscles around your eyes relax. Relax your eyes, your eyeballs, your eyelashes, your eyelids, eyebrows. The coolness in the eyes. Enjoy. Your forehead is smooth. All the blood vessels are relaxed. The side of your head, the right side here, the side of the head area, the top of the head, the crown of the head. Become aware of the crown of the head. Become aware of the left side of the head, the left ear. Do not drift to sleep. Keep listening to my instructions. Gently become aware of the back of the head in contact with the floor. Feel that touch. Observe that touch there. Your awareness on the neck area. Press the back of the neck on the floor and observe the subtle touch of the neck. Release any tension around your neck, your shoulder area, your back of the shoulders, the upper back, complete, the middle back. If any pain or any strain in the middle back area, consciously visualize that part and tell that muscle to release and relax. Let go, complete. Visualize your lumbar area, the curve, the subtle curve in the lumbar region. Press that area firm on the floor so that the whole back is imprinted on the floor. Release. Again, press that area firm on the floor. That curve is pressing and you can feel the imprint on the floor. Release, and last one more round. Press and release. Become aware of your buttock area, the sitting bones, it is called, the right and the left buttock, the tailbone region. Visualize your kidneys, visualize your tailbone area. If any disturbance in lumbar and tailbone area, visualize those painful areas and consciously you tell those muscles to relax. Relax completely. The entire body from the toes to the head is collapsed on the floor. We move on to the next stage, the visualization. Become aware of the center of the eyebrows. Slowly, you're bringing your awareness to the center of the eyebrows. If this awareness brings about some discomfort, that means you're straining too much. Gentle awareness on the center of the eyebrows without frowning, without putting a crease on the forehead. You are only aware on this Bhrumadhya region, the Chitakash. Think that you're entering a cave. You're going deeper and deeper. You're moving deeper and deeper, and suddenly you find there is full light. There is an exit to the cave, and you are entering into a beautiful, magical land, fully lit, beautiful white light, and you are entering into a very beautiful place. You step onto this place, look at all the surroundings, enjoy this view, beautiful trees, wild plants and flowers, wild grass, and you are walking. You are walking, and what do you see? You see a beautiful river there. A river flowing calm manner. Keep walking towards the river. Sit on the banks of the river in a comfortable seated pose like Sukhasana. You are feeling so peaceful, so much at peace, so calm, and you are gazing at the river. You're gazing at the water. You're listening to the sounds of the water. Listen to the sound. Observe the colors of the water. The sun rays are falling on the water, and observe the right of colors in the water. A combination of sound, a combination of lights in the water. Such a beautiful scenery. Keep gazing at this water. Keep gazing at the river. The river is flowing endlessly. You just watch the pathway of the river flowing, flowing, and keep gazing at the river. Enjoy this peaceful state. Enjoy the sound coming from the water. The water is hitting small, small rocks, and you could see the water is a mixture of calmness, a mixture of ripples, a mixture of force. Take a stone, throw the stone on the water, observe the ripples on the water. Keep throwing stones if you seem to like it. You're joyful, you're very happy. If you seem to like it, keep throwing stones. If you don't want, step your feet on the water. It's cool. It's such a wonderful feeling. If you have a fear of water, just be seated and look at the river. And if you are an explorer of water, keep walking on this shallow river. Enjoy the touch of the water on your feet, on your calf. Splash water with your palms. Feel the contact of water on your palms. Absolutely enjoy. If you want to squat and sit there, you cross-legged and sit there. Enjoy watching the small fishes. Look at the fishes surrounding your feet. There's such a wonderful feeling there. Observe, enjoy. Enjoy the freedom of being a fish. A fish is so peaceful. So much calmness is there in the fish. It roams around freely in the water. You are like a fish, and you also want to swim in the water just like a fish. You're welcome to do freestyle or just turn and face the sky and you float on the water. Enjoy floating on the water if you'd like to. Gaze at the sky. Gaze at all your surroundings and enjoy this wonderful state. You are free, you are healthy, you are floating, you are lighter, you are at peace. It's time to come back. It's time to step out of the water. Give a last look at this river. It's time to enter the cave again. Walk towards the cave. But when you walk towards the cave, you find that your feet is still wet. You keep walking and you are so joyful, so happy. Enter the cave. Become aware again at the Chitakash. Visualize a picture of Om, a beautiful picture of Om. Keep visualizing this picture. If you are not able to visualize a picture of Om, visualize any picture which brings you peace. It could be a painting, it could be a deity of your choice, or it could be a scenery, a landscape, it could be a face of your mother, it could be Om. Keep gazing at this picture. Look at all the features of this picture. Gradually you find this picture reducing its size. The picture is bright, it's radiating, but it's slowly reducing the size. It is reducing, going smaller, 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 and smaller like a seed. But the seed is still radiating the light, radiating that energy. Again, now the seed is expanding. It is sprouting, shooting, expanding, becoming bigger. This picture is becoming bigger, bigger than the cave, bigger than the face, bigger than your body, bigger than this room, bigger than your house, bigger than the entire state where you're staying, and becoming bigger than the earth, bigger and bigger, as huge as the universe. Feel the light radiating from this picture falling on you. You are so energized. Feel that sensation in your palms. The light, the energy entering you through the palms, energizing you complete. Now this huge picture is again reducing the size, reducing, smaller, 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 smaller to the size of a seed. But still you can feel the energy coming from that seed, that tiny speck, the tiny dot, the tiny seed. Visualize it in your Chid Akash. Visualize it, feel that seed of light between the eyebrows. Observe. Slowly the seed is moving deeper and deeper and merging into the space. And you are at peace. You are repeating in your mind, I speak and think positively. 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 Let this sankalpa enter your subconscious level. Re-energize your body with an Omkara. Breathe in. Enjoy this resonance of Om. Gently wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Gently move your head to the right and left without opening your eyes. Gently turn to your right side, support your head with your right arm, fold your legs. Be in this position, become aware of the body level. Become aware of your mind. Your mind is still peaceful, calm. The mind has visited a wonderful place with retaining that smile in the facial area. Slowly, without any jerks, place the palms on the floor in front of you. Lift yourself up very gently. Slowly come up. Sit comfortably. Join the palms together. This is the palm which has received the energy. Feel that energy between the palms. Feel that energy there. Feel the contact of all the fingers. Separate your fingers. Press the palms. Press the contact of the fingers and release that touch. Again, press the palms. Press the contact of the fingers. Again, release the touch. Last round, press and remain there. Feel the touch of the palms, the fingers, the subtle rise of your chest area, the thumb pressing the middle of the chest, the heart chakra, the seat of your heart chakra. Again, visualize your Chidakash, become aware of your Chidakash. Keep chanting Om in your mind. Om, Om, Om. Keep visualizing the Chitakash. If there is a right of colors, it's fine. Don't strain too much. If you're uncomfortable observing there, just keep chanting Om in your mind. Lengthen the Om. 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 Observe the silence. Prarthana together for the welfare of everyone in this entire world. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take your hands back, breathe and expand your chest. And exhale with absolute attitude of surrender and humility. Bend forward. Be grateful for everything around you, for everything you have, for your body, for your mind, for all the people. Be grateful. Say thank you internally to everyone, every family member. Slowly come up, rub your palms. Generate warmth, still keeping eyes closed. Cup your eyes. Pass the warmth to your eyes. Rub the palms again. Generate warmth. Cup your cheeks. Pass the warmth to your cheeks. Throat, abdomen, chest, knee joint, back area, shoulder. Bring your palms in front of your eyes. Blink open your eyes, gently looking at the palm without any sudden jerk for your eyes. Thank you very much. Hope you had an enjoyable and relaxing session.